కరోనా కేసులు వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ప్రక్రియపై కేంద్ర వైద్యారోగ్య శాఖ వివరాలు ప్రకటిస్తోంది. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Given to more than 75% of their healthcare workers the second dose. These are Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Sikkim, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Nagaland and Lakshadweep. So this is also commendable performance. If we look at the frontline workers, there are 9 states and UTs which have shown a coverage of more than 70%. And these are Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Tripura, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. So this is the information that we wanted to share with you at this point in time. Aapka bahut dhanyawad.
Now I request Dr. Adarsh Sharma to speak about the COVID app.
Well, thank you friends and good afternoon to all of you. I will not be making a presentation. I'll just speak broadly as to what is the approach now in the vaccination. So before 1st of March, we were actually focusing on the frontline workers and health workers. And the approach was that we collected their data and then, we were creating sessions and then we were inviting them and they were coming and we were vaccinating them. That was the approach. Now this time around we said that because that was a captive audience and therefore it was possible to have that kind of approach and we also had their data. Then if we go to the citizens part, that approach will not work because essentially we can't have the data of the citizens or we don't have them at one place and we don't know whether people will come or not come and after invitation. So we wanted to do a demand driven approach rather than supply driven. So anybody who is interested in getting vaccinated, they should sort of apply, they should register and we should create such a framework. So essentially